Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit, draft, and send emails. To get started, let's open the iCloud app. Now, click on the Edit button. Here, you can see the option Drafts. So, in order to edit drafts, click on it. Here, you can see the list of draft mails. Tap on it. This mail is empty, so here you can edit and click on the Send button that is located on the top right corner. Now, your draft mail is successfully edited and sent. To verify it, click on Send. Here, you will be seeing the email that you have recently sent. So here, in the topmost, you can see the mail that we have recently edited and sent. So that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.